guys, Eric Maya with the Maya team at Cherry Creek Mortgage here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get these informative videos on a regular basis. Fall is upon us, and I want to share my top 5 tips on home maintenance around your home to make sure that your home is running efficiently and to save you money on costly expenses down the road. So number 1, make sure that you change your batteries on your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Super important. Make sure that you protect the safety of you and your family. Change those batteries on a regular basis. Also, change the direction on your ceiling fans. That also helps a lot around your home. And with your utility costs, make sure that you check that fireplace. Make sure you check the fireplace, turn it on, make sure everything's working properly, and there are no leaks there. Make sure that if you have any water hoses, that you drain them, store them so they don't freeze up and mess up down the road, especially if we get a really hard freeze throughout this winter. Last but not least, make sure you change that air conditioning filter. I know I do a horrible job of that. My wife Brenda always has to remind me, and I change it by the time it's too late. So make sure that you're proactive, you change that air filter, and make sure that your home is running nice and efficiently and save you costs down the road. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need anything at all, I'm always here for you. Have a great one.